Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. As we can tell here in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 1.5% or so. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Quant, which is up about 26%, trading at $214. Our highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin at 23.5 billion in volume, Ethereum at 17.2 billion. They're both pretty much trading here flat. Bitcoin's up about 1%, Ethereum is flat. Bitcoin's up at 49,000, Ethereum at about $4,000 or so. And it seems like most of these altcoins are trading flat as well, but we do see some outliers. So we see Cardano making a little bit of an upward momentum here, 8% up higher in the past 24 hours or so. We have Luna, which is down 7%, and then many of these other coins are up or down about a 2% or so. Decentraland being up 8% here, Near Protocol being up about 12% or so. So there are some, upward momentum, coins right here compared to some of the other ones, and also some positive news actually here that we're going to be talking about with Decentraland coming up towards the middle of this video. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be talking about some, good news that lately happened that could make it easier for you to invest into that coin. Now, guys, obviously, if you guys enjoy this type of content, we're going to be doing a giveaway for Christmas pretty much here in December. So if you want to join that, giveaway and be eligible to win, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrency is your favorite in order to be picked. So, guys, let's get into it, guys. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Quant. So that is actually our, top gainer in the past 24 hours, and it is the coin we're going to be talking about. So Quant is up about 26% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $215. Currently, in the past week or so, it's up 14%. In the past month, it's actually down 20% from the highs. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, we saw highs here in September. So in September, it was trading around $428. And then ever since then, pulled back down about over 50% or so. Now, this coin was just trading at $13 last December, hit highs in February, continued to trade around that area pretty much until the end of May, pulled back down a little bit with the market. And then we saw an explosive move here in July, and then especially this huge move here in September that we saw here from $200 all the way to $400, about a 100% gain in a matter of about a week or so. So big move there that we saw. Came back down, bounced off of this area right here that was trading in August, and now we're on, hopefully come back up and fill that gap up. This was a good dip, in my opinion, to get us back to, where we were normally, and then, now we can have some upside. So currently we see a 2.6 billion market cap on this coin, so 2.6 billion. Volume is up 156% higher than usual at 188.7 million. Typical hold time is 1 day, and it is a newer coin. People are not holding as much. Popularity, it is ranked the number 33 coin, currently 12% buy, 88% sell activity. But we're watching this one for an opportunity to buy the dip opportunity, and it's kind of like a momentum play. So that is the reason we're watching Quant right here is because the momentum type situation, kind of like we had with other coins in the past, like Avalanche and many other ones where we're making a momentum situation. We see it rising on up. You get in, take your profits very quickly, and get out, not holding for long term. Now, QNT is an Ethereum token that is used to power Quant Network's Overledger brand of enterprise software solutions, which aims to connect public blockchains and private networks. Now, Quant Network allows the creation of so-called MDApps that enable decentralized applications to operate on multiple blockchains at once. So that is why, this coin continues to go on, higher and higher here in 2021, making a slight pullback. We're going to be watching it here at the end of December into the rest of the year. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Now, the second altcoin on this list is going to be Decentraland, guys, Mana. And I have good news about Mana, guys. If you guys actually want to buy Decentraland, you don't have to go on Coinbase and link your bank account and do all this crazy stuff, or you don't have to go sign up with another, brokerage. You can actually get it on Webull, and I know a lot of investors already have Webull. So instead of opening up multiple brokerages, now Decentraland is available in Webull, which is a positive thing in my opinion, because it's a lot easier and a lot safer in my opinion. Something that I preferably use. I love Webull. I use Webull a lot, and now that it's available on Webull, I would rather trade it there than somewhere else. So that is definitely a positive sign with this one. In the past 24 hours, we're up about 9%, trading at $3.59. In the past week, this one's down 13%. Past month, it's up 34% with highs of over $5.91 at the high, that we saw there in November 24th, right around Thanksgiving. Now in the 1-year chart, we're up 153% or so. Last April, it was trading at $1, or actually this April that just passed by in 2021, it was trading at $1.41. Came back down here to lows of about 40 cents or so, under 40 cents, and then here, especially once Facebook changed to their name and all that to Meta. It kind of exploded here from 76 cents all the way to highs up here of almost $6. So huge gain right there. Pulled back down with the market now, and obviously we're waiting for that next bounce up. This is a metaverse play, just like Sandbox, Gala, and many of the other altcoins that we talk about. Current market cap 6.6 billion. Volume is flat at 697 million. Typical hold time is going to be 18 days. It is ranked the number 21 coin on the list. 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity. Now, Decentraland is an Ethereum token that powers the Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland, as well as in-world goods and services. So we already know that there's records being broken with this whole metaverse situation. People are buying these plots of land for a ridiculous amount of money honestly, in my opinion, is unrealistic. People are spending a lot on these virtual, lands and plots, which is just ridiculous, the amount of money that people are willing to give away. But obviously, when you're rich, you have a lot of money, to waste pretty much, and people are just throwing it away, in my opinion. So that's the background here behind Mana, and I think that this one's going to have plenty of upside in the future, especially once the metaverse continues to grow, bigger and bigger in the years to come. At only 6 billion market cap right now, I believe that's a small market cap compared to where this coin could be in the future. So that's what it is right here, number 2 coin on the list. Now, before we get into the third and last coin, we're going to be looking at the crypto bubbles, which we like to cover just to make sure where we're at. We're in the market. So we can see right here, the market is, having a mix of green and red overall, but we're finally seeing some more green. Usually we've been just seeing red in the past week. Here we have Dusk Network, which is up about 68% or so. We have another one down here, Measurable Data, which is up about 50% or so. We see Flux, which is up about 26%. Near Protocol, which is the coin we actually covered earlier in the beginning of the video. This one's up about 36% or so. So we're seeing a lot more green compared to where we were just a few days ago. But obviously, we're still seeing a lot more red. We've been seeing a lot of a downtrend pretty much since Thanksgiving. So that's how the market is performing right now. Now let's get into the third altcoin. So the third altcoin on this list is going to be Near Protocol. So Near Protocol here, or also known as Near, is up about 12% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $11. So as we can tell right here, Near Protocol is up about 40% here in the past week. In the past month, it's down about 8% with lows down here of about $6.65 or so. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 1,114%. This coin was trading at 92 cents last December. We saw it go from December here to February highs at 470, hit new highs in March at 741, and that was the peak that we saw. Pulled back down with the rest of the market. We saw lows of $1.68, and then we continued to roar on higher at over $13, which is, just amazing in my opinion. That was a huge gain right there of over 500, 600% or so in a matter of a few months. Now this coin continues to grow higher and higher, 6.3 billion market cap currently. We see volume is about 10% higher than usual at 650 million. Obviously, this coin continues to grow higher and higher, and we're seeing this after this dip that we saw pretty much last week to $7. We're seeing another uptrend here, trying to fill up this gap and potentially break through new all-time highs. If we do break through all-time highs, we will be trading around a 8 billion market cap, and this coin could continue to push on higher and higher. This is our current momentum play in the market. It's been on a roar here for the past about 6 or 7 days. We're going to be watching it very closely to see if it continues this run for a potential, buy and sell type situation where you get in and get out very quickly in a matter of a few days, as long as it continues to run on higher and take some profit. So this is definitely going to be one of those interesting coins that we're going to be watching for the rest of the year, and obviously going into 2022 as well. Now, those are the 3 altcoins we're going to be discussing, guys. Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, we're going to take a look at Solana. So Solana here in the past month or so has been taking a little bit of a pullback from those highs of about $250 or so that we saw. Pullback here of about $100, which is a pretty big, pullback if you ask me. So Solana, good buying opportunity, good dip buying opportunity in my opinion. We see Doge and we see the other meme Shiba. They're pretty much trading flat or so. Doge still around the 17 cents area. It's been on a downward trend pretty much for months and months now, and it continues to go lower and lower. But right now we're kind of stabilizing right there and creating a support area. Then we have Bitcoin. In the past 24 hours or so, it's up about 1%. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're down 24%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 161%. So Bitcoin's trading at 49,000 currently, 925.9 billion market cap, 32% of the crypto market space. Typical hold time still going to be 75 days, 73% buy activity, 27 sell activity. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is doing very well here. In the past 24 hours, it's pretty much breaking even. In the past week, we're down 2%. Past month, down 14%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 611% with those highs at around 4,800. So Ethereum still doing well. It's about let's say about a 15 to 20% away from all-time highs. Current market cap 479.6 billion. 17% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. We see volume is down, by 38% or so, lower than usual at 17.2 billion. Typical hold time on Ethereum is going to be 70 days. We have 71% buy activity and 29% sell activity on Ethereum. But Ethereum obviously is way outperforming compared to Bitcoin, about a 3 to 4x opportunity right there that we saw. So if you invested $1,000 into Ethereum last year, you'd be up about $6,000 in profit. If you would have invested $1,000 into Bitcoin, you'd only be up about $1,600 or so. So Ethereum definitely won right there in 2021. We're going to be watching Ethereum in 2022 and see if it continues to outpace Bitcoin and potentially catch up to it in the market cap in the long term. We're less than halfway to catching up to that market cap and doing the flippening. So guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Smash that like button if you enjoyed this type of content. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not for financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So speak to your financial advisor before investing and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.